Hello everyone, welcome back again into my channel. There is new article on my website. It is about create a dismissible alert element in Bricks Builder. So let's try it on the real example. Let's see add dismissible alert element in Bricks Builder programmatically using cookies. Okay, the first step is to add class name to the alert element. The important thing is the all alert element has the same prefix class name, such as alert 1 or 2. Say okay. So let's go to our builder. Let's add an alert element. Alert. Okay, so use a, let's say we're gonna use info or maybe like warning, and let's add a class name. So it should be a let's see, alert promo. Okay, it has a same prefix class name. Okay, so if we need multiple alert, so let's say the first alert is alert 1, and the second alert element is has a class name alert alert any. Just like this. Let's change the type to success, and then the second step is add JavaScript into the footer by using this function. So the function will look for the close icon. So if you see on the element, and don't forget to click this dismissible, enable the dismissible option. I think I forget to add the description here. So let's reload. Okay, see, actually there is dismissible function, but it doesn't have a memory mechanism. So when the user reload the page, the alert will stay showing up. But by using JavaScript, so it will look the SVG icon, the close icon, which is this one, the close icon, and then when it click, it will find the element. Let's see, this closes cons alert. Okay, it will find this element, and then it will retrieve the class name with a prefix alert. So if you don't want to use the you can use another prefix. Let's say let's say my alert. If you want to use this prefix, then you have to change the JavaScript with this line, this specific the alert with the my alert. Okay, and then it will set the cookies, which is called the set cookies dismiss alert, and then you can change the how the duration of the cookies until it expire. And then yes, I'm not sure what is this for, but probably it will use to check whether the element has a cookies or not, or this element has already the class name of the element is already on the cookies list or no. So let's see, I will show you this. Let's check in the cookie editor. As you can see here, I'm gonna delete first. So this is the default state of my cookies. There is no dismissible alert cookie name. So if I click this, like alert, the first alert, okay, you will get a new cookies named dismissible alert with a value array, and the first value is the alert 1, which is the class name, the custom class name we add for this element. Which one is that? Oh yeah, because it's already disappeared, so I think I cannot see. Yeah, oh yeah, this one. No, I think it's already destroyed, so there is no we cannot see element on the console. Okay, let's take a look at here again. Okay, so if I click another one, the second alert. Okay, and let's see again on my cookie editor. It should be add class name for the alert element. We add alert any, so the second one is alert any. You can see this. All right, and then after you understand the mechanism behind this method, we need to we need to return the value of the cookies, so later we can use that for the conditional logic setting to show or hide the element. So you just have to copy this into your function file or your custom snippet plugin. After that, let's see the first alert, go to the condition, add and set to use a dynamic data, and then we're gonna echo our function. So get dismiss alert, so like echo, and then let's see, doesn't not contain. So if the class name, if this wait, I'm still thinking. Okay, if the cookies value there is no alert promo, if the cookies value there is no alert promo value, so it will show. But if it has the alert promo value, so the cookies has the alert promo value, this element will not showing, or it will hide, or it doesn't displaying on the front end. So doesn't contain our class name. It should be the same. So just like we're gonna oops, so we're gonna just alert one. If the cookies we get from this function doesn't have a alert one, then showing this, show this element. If it does, then hide it. So that's like the logic behind this method. So let's see. Okay, let's delete the cookie first. Okay, so I'm gonna close the first alert. Okay, so the only one showing up, it should be the green, right? Okay, now the first alert is not showing up because the cookies contain the alert one, and the second one we can use that as with the same conditional logic but without a different value. So let's go to add conditional logic, dynamic data, echo, and I forget to put the function name here, and then doesn't contain the class name of this alert element, alert any. Okay, let's save it, and let's see, I forget to reload it. Okay, alert any, let's see, alert one. Okay, yep, should be work. Let's close the second alert first, the green one. Okay, let's reload it. Yep, the green one is disappear, and let's close the last one. Yep, nice. So all alert is already dismissed. Okay, so that's it. You can just copy the code by yourself by filling on my website. If you but you have to register first. And I think that's enough for today. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Oh yeah, forget, if you have like a comment, suggestion for my content, so please write on the comment box down below. Okay, see you again. See you, and yeah, thank you very much. Bye bye.